That's the speech out the way. Now we've got to go, 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 go. Get to Portsmouth. It's not long left, not long left. I've got to meet my brother. Can he do it? Watch to find out, guys. Passing Folkestone. Well, it's 2:30 in the morning, my trip's not going as well as I planned. Weather setbacks. Set back 2 days due to storms. But that's just one of the things that you can't predict, and it is what it is. So I think there's going to be some more engine power and a bit of sail power mixed in. So it's the only way I can do it now. I'm at Rye Bay, or Rye Harbour, just outside, anchored up. I've stopped for three and a half hours. I've just had my head down for 3.5 hours. Absolutely shattered. But I'm pushing on, and I'm aiming to catch the tide again now, as the tide runs out the English Channel. But yeah, this has been a lot tougher journey than I expected. Like I said, four days planned, 2 days lost in a storm, so that set me back 2 days. I've set off Monday, and I've got to Rye Harbour in 2-3 days. But I have stopped again. I've lost probably a part of the day, because I stayed at Ramsgate a bit longer than I expected as well. So yeah, little setbacks, but push on. Fingers crossed I'll be in Gosport by tonight. Fingers crossed, keep pushing. Stunning, eh? Absolutely beautiful. Just as Portsmouth was in my sights, the tide turned against me. I was travelling at 1 knot. All I could see was this buoy alongside me, and I just couldn't get beyond it. So I dropped anchor. Then the sea fog rolled in. Waited for the tide to change in my favour.
Stop the Armada getting through to Portsmouth. Since second one. Finally in Portsmouth. We'll spin it next hour.
Yeah, gentlemen, ladder 2, just departing white here, sir. Ladder 2, pitch up next, sir. Thank you, sir.
Don't mind him. Yeah, what a journey. Anything from wind in no favour to me, tide in no favour to me, sea fog, storms, you name it. I think I've had it all. I don't think you can make that stuff up. Like last night, I ended up anchoring up at Selseyville. I just couldn't see anything for the fog. The tide were against me, wind were against me. And yeah, what a journey. Unbelievable. Now I'm going to go in and surprise my brother, because he doesn't know that I'm here yet. I've not rang him to say that I've woke up and I'm already heading to a should have been in last night. But obviously dramas. Loving it. Absolutely brilliant. This is like the biggest trip I've done so far. And what a learning curve.
Chuffed to bits. This is what chuffed to bits look like, and also tired. Ready for a freshen up, shower, changed, and a nice ice cold beer. After 48 hours of travelling, 48 hours from Ramsgate. Fantastic. Now to find my brother in a bit. As the hunter goes in stalk of his prey, he looks for the big hairy ass bear lay slumbering in the car. Time to find where he's parked. Oh, baby. Wakey wakey, rise and shine. In a bit. Well, we finally made it, guys. Catch us next time. The pirates are coming. The pirates are coming. Or. Before you go, guys, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Things can only get better.